I'm John V. Doull. I've been at Cornerstone Bank full-time since January 2007, and I handle the commercial loan relationships. What I enjoy most about my job at Cornerstone Bank is probably the diversification that we get in the client portfolio. Every day I'm dealing with a different character type, different loan type, a different industry, so it's really cool to see all those different types of things and how they work. Commercial loans can be classified a variety of different ways. They can be broken down into commercial real estate loans, building loans, owner-occupied, non-owner-occupied, business lines of credits, equipment loans. People like to buy investment properties outside of their personal residence. Those would be classified as commercial loans. Commercial real estate loans, there's two types. There's owner-occupied and there's non-owner-occupied. The owner-occupied would be if you own a business personally and you want to take that business and put it into a space, into a building, whether it be a warehouse, an office space, an industrial building, or anything along those lines. And then the non-owner occupied would be if you want to invest in a building, you want to buy like a retail strip center, and then you put a tenant in there that's not yourself, it's separate of your business. Equipment loans are pretty straightforward, as they are what they seem. Basically, if you own a landscaping company and you need to purchase lawnmowers and landscaping equipment, we could finance that. You basically put it on a 5-year term and you pay it off over 5 years. If you have any additional questions about commercial loans, feel free to give us a call at 913-239-8100. We're happy to help in any way we can and answer any questions you have for us.